Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of August 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, a lot of messages were coming through. I will render just the dominant ones because otherwise the pre-shuffling time gets really longer. So guys, some of you guys are walking away from someone or moving away from someone. You are not in contact with someone. Someone has either blocked you or you have blocked someone. Basically the communication between you two is stalled. Okay, someone out there is feeling borderline depressed. You are feeling very sad. Okay, you are feeling very sad and disappointed, and you don't have interest in anything. Like, you don't feel like getting up, you don't feel like cleaning the house, or if you don't feel like working. Okay, it's like you have lost interest in everything. Okay, there were the four of swords and four of cups kept repeating. Also, that I saw a lot of fives. Okay, so some of you guys might be experiencing a lot of challenges in their day-to-day life. Okay, maybe at workplace, maybe at personal level, but a lot of fives were what were seen. What else was there? Yeah, I think these were by and large some of the messages, guys. Like the dominant ones, that is what I'm saying. Okay, if at all I recall anything more, I will definitely let you know. Okay, yeah. With that, let's get started, guys. Yeah, Page of Swords, Page of Cups. Page of Cups was there in pre-shuffling also. You guys might expect. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God, have we pulled all the pages 1 to 3? The only page missing is Page of Wands. The only page missing is Page of Wands. So do expect a message coming your way, okay? Definitely some sort of communication is what you can expect very soon, guys. It could be in terms of love, and it could be in terms of relationship as well, okay? Yeah. See, Four of Cups is refusing to show you. Okay, yeah. Wow, new job offer for some of you guys. Yeah, Emperor card. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started and let's see what messages your main reading are bringing for you guys. Okay, Page of Swords is showing up in your health reading, guys. Some of you guys might be finding out or studying about different or something new. Okay, something new, like you might be reading out more about intermittent fasting, for example. Okay, you might be reading more about yoga, different yogas, yoga poses. Okay, reading as in you could be finding out more information is what meant. Okay, or you could be researching more about calorie deficit diet. Okay, so there is something that you are trying to find out more information, and you are wanting to try it out when it comes to your health regime. Okay, you are kind of performing your own, or you are kind of conducting your own research. Maybe you are talking to people, maybe you are consulting a dietitian and asking him or her questions, or you might have enrolled to gym and you are asking a lot of questions to your gym instructor or your yoga practitioner. Basically you are finding out more information so that you can better your health, or maybe you can up the game of your fitness. Okay, that's what that's what I'm getting over here. I also feel borderline stalking happening over here, guys. Not even borderline, I see a lot of stalking happening over here, guys. There is Capricorn energy, the devil energy, as well as the Page of Swords. Both are telling me that someone probably is stalking you, keeping a tab on your social media. Okay, looking at your pictures is what I'm getting very strongly. Somehow stalker energy kind of creeps me out, like, I mean, yeah, it could be mindless talking, but somehow the thought that someone is, gawking or looking at your photos when you're not aware of it is little creepy, at least to me. But anyway, I'm getting that kind of energy very very strongly over here. Your own energy, devil energy, is showing up in your reading, in guys. So yeah, some stalking is definitely happening over here. Someone is kind of little borderline obsessed is what I'm getting. I feel that Capricorns, you could be dealing with someone who is younger to you, okay, and a very, I'm getting a very immature energy for that matter, okay, very very immature energy. This person could be not only just be younger to you, but this person is not even mature is what I'm getting. Even if say that you are younger to this person and this person is elder to you, then also I would say that this person lacks maturity is what I'm getting, okay. This is very specific, it's not going to resonate with also. Please do not try to fit in if it doesn't make sense to you, okay. Moving on to your current energies, page of cups, guys. Definitely there are three pages straight away. Do expect a message or communication coming your way, okay. A phone call, a message, a text message, or someone just calling you up, or an email, okay. Communication in any shape and form is what I'm getting, okay. Someone is definitely going to approach you. This person, if it is a romantic related communication, okay, related communication, I meant, this person could be younger to you, okay. Guys, there could be a possibility that you are dealing with or you have more than one people who are kind of fascinated by you is what I'm getting, okay. The chances or the possibility is very very high is what I'm getting, okay. Page of cups, yeah, definitely an expression of love, or an expression of feelings is what I'm getting. Someone is having or holding a lot of feelings towards you, and very soon, like very very soon, you're going to hear from this person is what I'm getting, okay. You are going to get this message very soon, like maybe you have already gotten this message as you see this reading, or maybe within a couple of weeks, you're going to get this communication, the specific communication that I'm talking about. You'll, and if you're watching this reading and if you get some unexpected message from someone, you'll know what I'm talking about. It could be an apology as well from coming from someone is what I'm getting, okay. A profound apology of someone's behavior, and that apology coming your way is what I'm getting, okay. Your crossing energy is knight of cups, okay. Again, I feel that these two energies are they are similar is what I'm getting, or rather of one person is what I'm getting. Someone is wanting to probably express his or her feelings to you, but this person probably is not doing that, or you probably are blocking this person from expressing his or her feelings, okay. You are not allowing this person to express his or her feelings is what I'm getting. Just let me clarify why this knight of cups is showing up. One message I'm also getting that for some of you guys, your creative side is somehow curbed, or it is like you might be a creative person inherently, but you're not pursuing it, or you're not getting enough platform, or a platform to showcase your creativity is what I'm getting, guys. Could be at workplace, okay. So let me just clarify what is the challenge of my Capricorns, okay. Please tell me more about the challenge that my Capricorns are facing. Nine of Wands is showing up over here, guys. So yeah, the Empress is repeated over here. Eight of Cups, yeah. Three and the Empress. Guys, basically there are a couple of things I'm getting over here. One thing is that someone wants to you know someone wants to come in your life, but you are not allowing, you're just walking away, okay. You are absolutely walking away, and this person probably is tired of convincing you about something, or this person is, or you are tired of convincing something to this person, or communicating something to person, or expressing or making this person understand, vice versa, whatever, however, whichever side of the stick you are. And probably you guys are going to hit the closures, okay? Maybe this association might come to an end is what I'm getting, guys, okay? Because I see an energy of someone who is very very tired, exhausted, and who is finally about to give up, okay? Though unwillingly, but there is an energy of frustration, and there is an energy of literally accepting the defeat, okay? Like, okay, I give up, okay, I give up, and I cannot do this anymore, kind of energy is what I'm getting, guys. And that's the challenge in your energy currently. You are actually tired and frustrated, and walking away is the only option that is what is seeming right to you, is what I'm getting. By the way, walking away is showing up a lot in your overall energy, guys, okay? I had seen it while pre-shuffling also, and here also I'm seeing Six of Swords. That's what I'm saying. Someone out there is definitely walking away from some situation over here, is what I'm getting. Empress card is showing up, guys. Someone is heavily pregnant. You could be in your last month, or some of you guys could be in your first trimester, is what I'm getting, okay? Very very strongly pregnancy is showing up over here. Taurus energy over here, okay? Yeah, the chances of you being in the last trimester are very high, is what I'm getting. And it's all the more important that you walk away from all the emotional drama, guys. It's not good, good for your health. It's not good for your baby. Oh my god, is anyone expecting triplets, guys? Is anyone expecting triplets over here? Please, if at all that happens, do let me know, okay? There is a strong young energy showing up over here, and there is Empress also showing up over here. And I really feel that there could be pregnancy on cards for some of you guys. Yes, their pregnancy is heavily showing up over here. Also, I realize there is divine counterpart, the Emperor and Empress, my favorite couple, showing up over here. Some of you guys might be soulmates. You guys might end up meeting your soulmate, and you guys are a middle-aged couple, is what I'm getting over here, okay? You're not very young. Someone out there is not very young. You are definitely middle-aged, mid 30s or early 40s, is what I'm getting, guys. And you are tied to each other since several lifetimes. You guys are both very grounded and practical and level-headed people, okay? And you are just perfect for each other. You complement each other beautifully, is what I'm getting. Wow, what a lovely. This person actually adores you, is what I'm getting, Capricorns, okay? Taurus energy is showing up very very strongly. Aries energy is showing up very very strongly. And this person finds you like a complete, if at all of you are a female Capricorn, okay, then the male counterpart is finding you like a complete woman, very very adorable, very very feminine, and they just adore and admire you. And if at all you are a male Capricorn, then this person absolutely finds you like they rely on you. They absolutely rely on you or bank on you, okay? They very much trust you, is what I'm getting, guys, okay? Very very beautiful energy, though, for those who are this divine counterparts, okay? Those who are part of this soulmate energy. Wow, very beautiful energy. Yeah, a lot of earth is showing up in this energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is what I'm getting, okay? Sorry, I digressed to the overall energy, but yeah, it anyway is part of your reading. It's anyway your overall energy, but yeah, just broke the flow, is what I meant. Your advice is Page of Cups. So guys, you might get a job offer very very soon. You might hear from someone related to your work very very soon, okay? Personal messages also there for coming, the personal messages also coming for someone, and professional messages also, or professional communication is also coming for someone. Hands down, there is a new job offer for you guys. Like, there is no doubt about it. Okay, new job offer very much written all over. You Capricorns, you might not even be looking for a new job. Okay, it's like, well, I'm not looking for a new job, or I'm not searching for a job, but then that opportunity is meant for you, and it is going to land up in your lap. Okay, and before you know, you'll end up having a new job offer in your hand. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly, and this is something which is going to pay you really well, handsomely. Okay, and if at all you are into business, your business, you'll get a good business opportunity that will reap you a lot of profits. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly. But yeah, lot of abundance is what I'm getting over here. Three of Pentacles is your output. The guy, so guys, the universe is saying that yes, it is working, you know uh, hand in hand with you. Okay, you're not alone in this. You just have to trust, and you just have to focus. Okay, focus, channel all your energy and attention into the work that you're going to do, and the universe is definitely having your back. Okay, and success is going to be yours. Okay, so don't worry about the challenges, don't worry about whatever obstacles that are coming your way. Those are just temporary, and your angels or your spirit guides or the universe is going to take care of those, is what I'm getting. Some of you guys might get an opportunity, or might be working in a team of three people. Okay, you might be working in a team of three people. Collaboration is what is needed over here, and whatever you are working right now, Capricorns, is going to need a lot of focus and concentration, is what I'm getting. Number 3 is of lot of significance for some of you guys. Some of you guys are beginning a new project, is what I'm getting. Okay, you are actually kickstarting a new project, or you'll be working on a new project, is what I'm getting, wherein you'll have to start from ground zero, and you'll have to collaborate with different people. Okay, different people with different skill sets, and then build something beautiful out of this. Okay, yeah, pregnancy and inception of something new is hands down in your overall energy, guys. Yeah, look at the child, she's heavily pregnant and glowing and blooming, is what I'm getting, guys. Queen of Swords, Four of Cups. Yeah, someone out there is definitely a kind of little upset and sad and disappointed over something. Okay, there is Queen of Swords energy. Someone out there is extremely guarded. Okay, it's like you are sitting in an energy wherein someone asks you something casually, and you are like, what are you saying, why are you saying, why do you want this information? You're just kind of, your sword is out, and you are like, holding that sword so high, and like questioning people left, right, center. Okay, and you're, some of you guys are like in a state wherein you're not allowing anyone to cross that circle, that or cross that boundary that you have created around you. Okay, definitely a very alert and guarded energy is what I'm getting coming through this card. Okay, she's the Queen of Swords, she is like that. Okay, but at the same time, I also feel that some of you guys might be working with someone who is very sharp. Okay, very very sharp, who whom you cannot fool at all. Okay, if at all you have any such if you have any manager, could be a female, need not be, but could be a female, and it's very difficult to fool this person. Okay, it's like you cannot say that if some work is going to take you a few hours, that you cannot say that it will take few days. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting. Someone who is actually questioning you, maybe this person could also be micromanaging you guys. That could also be the case for some of you guys. Okay, and little difficult energy to work with is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, yeah, if at all it is you who is stepping into this Queen's energy, you are probably making someone's life difficult over here, is what I'm getting. Your own energy, devil energy, Capricorn energy showing up over here. I am getting obsession about something, guys, like literally obsession about something, stalking someone. You guys probably are binge watching, binge eating, obsessively thinking about something or someone, is what I'm getting. The Four of Swords that was repeated about in your energy is also talking about this thing, like obsessive thinking about something or someone is happening over here. This Page of Swords is also telling me the same thing. either you are obsessed with someone or someone is obsessed with you, and it is very difficult to break this obsession. It is very difficult to break this shackles, the shackle of obsessive thoughts. It is difficult to break open and walk away is what I'm getting, but eventually you or that person is going to do that, that is for sure. But overall it's a very obsessive energy that is coming through this card, guys. Yeah. And lot of stalking, by the way, lot of stalking, I'm telling you. Someone is really watching you like a hawk is all I can tell you, Capricorns, or you are doing that for someone. Maybe because you guys are not in communication, that could also be the reason, but lot of obsession is what I'm getting. Four of swords, some of you guys, four of wands, sorry, not swords, some of you guys might be attending someone's wedding or birthday party or engagement or some social gathering, get together, housewarming ceremony, some social gathering is what I'm getting. I also feel that some of you guys are getting married or engaged is what I'm getting. Okay, there is the divine counterpart energy anyway over here. Okay, so soulmates coming together in this 3D life, 3D life, and making their relationship official on this 3D plane is what I'm getting. Yeah. Aries energy, like I said, Taurus energy or any fire energy can Aries, Leo, Sagittarius showing up over here. Yeah, guys, this reading has a lot of different energies, and I'm glad it's not a specific reading because people do tend to get disappointed. But having said that, I would say that if it is not matching anything or is not matching with you, just don't try to fit in, just ignore the messages if it's not for you. Okay, it's a collective reading, always remember that. Okay, let's move ahead and pull one message from this beautiful deck. It's a fortune telling deck. There you go. There you go. Someone is absolutely obsessively thinking about you guys. Obsessively. And this person could be a creative person, could be an artist, could be painting. Okay. And I had got this message for Sagittarius also. If Sagittarius, if you have Sagittarius in your birth chart, guys, do check out that reading also. But yeah, you are there in someone's thoughts like 24/7. Okay. Or you are thinking of someone 24/7. Okay, and I really see a lot of obsessive thinking happening over here. Like literally this person is actually thinking you about you a lot. Okay, Capricorns, wonder who this person is. I have Capricorn in my birth chart, by the way. Yeah, anyway, let's pull some charms. I had stopped pulling charms. I had pulled charms sometime last year, and I don't know why I stopped it, though I love this part of the reading, and I'm going to do it this month, and let's see what we have for you guys. Wish, yeah, wish for something and chase it. Okay, make it happen. Okay, manifest it. I also feel that someone is wishing you very badly is what I'm getting. This is where I'm putting this charm. It's actually making sense there. Okay, flower is what I was getting. Nothing much from this charm. Maybe you guys might be you guys might have house plants, and you might be taking care of those plants. You might be loving gardening. Someone out there is what I'm getting as mirror. Okay, please have make sure that you are having positive self dialogue, positive self talk. Okay, and you are not having obsessive negative thoughts about something or someone, or including your own self. Okay, so please introspect. There was Hanged Man also in your energy showing up very very dominantly, so maybe it's time to take a step back and contemplate and ask yourself some questions. Okay, whether you are doing the right thing, whether you do need to do something differently, or whether you need to stop doing something. Okay, have that self dialogue with self dialogue. Okay, and see if you get some answers there. Clock, we have limited time. This is the reminder of that, so make every moment count. Okay, make every moment count. Do not waste time over things that don't matter. Do not remain stuck. Okay, especially the energy of walking away or moving on or walking away from something or someone is showing up very strongly in your energy, guys. If at all you're still contemplating that, please don't. Okay, if it is not serving you right. If it is toxic for you, just walk away from it, no matter what, no matter what, or matter who that person is. Okay, I choose strength. Of course, weakness is not meant for us. You are earth sign, you are very much grounded and you know the drill. Okay, you are very much a practical sign, and of course, weakness will never be your choice, is what I'm getting. Paris, someone might go abroad, someone might go outdoors, or like overseas for a vacation, is what I'm getting. Could be to Europe. I myself had been to Paris in May month, okay? So it was so beautiful. Anyway, so yes, definitely someone is traveling overseas, maybe for vacation or for work purposes, and there you go. Expect a lot of money, guys, lot of money coming your way. I told you, right, you are going to get a new job opportunity, and this is going to pay you really handsomely. So expect a lot of money and a lot of abundance coming your way, and that's a very beautiful confirmation from the angels, guys. Okay, I forgot to tell one thing, I missed saying that, rather. Some of you guys might get married, and Paris is a symbol of it's a city of love, they say. Okay, and some of you guys might go to Paris actually for your honeymoon. Need not be, but yeah, marriage is definitely showing up very strongly in your energy. Okay, or love is showing up in your energy very strongly. And money, like I said, expect a lot of money, guys. If not new job, promotion, hike, awards, rewards, profits. Okay, but new job is what I'm getting very strongly. Wow, what a reading. Capricorns, it was a lovely reading with so many different messages, guys. And if at all any of this matches with you, please do let me know. Drop comments and give the video a thumbs up, guys. Do help my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.